don't think there is. Welcome in, everybody. Here with my wife at Potawatomi. We're going to be playing Timberwolf Triple Power. Got a ticket in for $122.34.
In which your wife is sponsoring.
Ha ha ha. It's our bankroll today. So I think we're going to start out on 2 cent. We're going to step ladder between $1.60 and $3.20 for right now. So if you're not familiar with this, you need the owls, 3 of them, to get into the bonus. If you get the owls with the moons count to substitute for them. And just so you know, my wife already abandoned me already. She went over there and she's playing the 10-year. This is what I gotta do when I go here. So she's in the bonus. It's on dimes, betting $5 minimum bet, I believe. Oh, you know, missed it by 1. And I'm just going to bet minimum bet now that we're below 100. There we go, a little something. She had $105. She's so impatient when we're at the casino. Originally, that's where we were going to go, was play the 10-year one, but there's people sitting on it. But she sure beelined over there. There we go. Little something. Wish we would have had a wild over here instead of an owl. See, that's our first hit. Only $4, but it's better than nothing. $5 on that one. Alright, let's try nickels, see how much it is on here. Well, it's $4. We'll do a couple spins, just see if we can get lucky. One more. Wish it would have went off. Let's go to pennies. Let's do the middle bet so you get a 3 times multiplier. It's $2.40. All I can tell you is she's killing it over there. She's already on dollar denomination. And she just hit $550. I saw that, Carrie, and I'm telling them everything you're doing. Echoes in here so that everybody heard it. Because I'm in the atrium upstairs. It's really loud. It's my turn to get a bonus. Oh, come on, owls. Connect. Not getting nothing on these. Let's do the minimum bet on 2 cents. Oh, $20 on that one. All right, honey, let me see your ticket.
This is how we do it.
Well, show them so they could see it instead of moving it around. And what did you start with is the question.
$100.
Okay, thank you. I got the ticket now. I'm not dumb. It's in my hand now. She donated that ticket to me. She just said that was a super chat.
Yeah.
Live.
Thank you, darling.
Be nice to get a bonus in there. At least we did get that one $20 hit. Tried every denomination, nothing yet. Oh, we just need a 1 there. He can still go off when he shoot it up there. So now she's sitting next to me playing. Of course, she's on nickels right away. But hopefully she does hit it. She's on Buffalo, though. I'm on Timberwolf, so you probably could hear them. All right, let's go to back to pennies. Just gonna do minimum bet. See if we can get a bonus here. A couple fast spins if I can do it. This button's really bad on this one. Come on, give me something. Next one up. Step the ladder up the next again. 320 and hope for the best. Max bet, since we only got $5 left. That didn't work. Honey, yours grew. Last spin.
Just like it grew and did nothing.
Well, we did our best. Hopefully you enjoyed the little commentary in there. Congratulations to my wife. And thank you for the super chat. Consider we ended with 38 cents. All right, I'm back. Look who got a bonus. She did stick in some money, but I'm not gonna ask her how much. Well, let's see what she can do on it. Here we go.
So far, won $4.
Should be a decent hit. Don't do any good.
Wait. $20.
98.50, not too bad. But at least I got to show you a bonus. Because yes, the wife borrowed me $100 and I put a $5 in before it. And I was just low rolling. Trying to get a bonus on here. Just low rolling. I'll stick with it until to the 80 bucks and then I'm done. Maybe it's my turn to hit something. Zoom it in a little bit so I don't get all these people in there. No, I'm going to 80 cents. That's it. They're going to 80 bucks on 80 cents. She's trying to make me switch over. Well, let me go to the 80 bucks and then we'll decide. I don't want to make this too long. Oh, 4 of them. Come on. In every single color, you could give me a triple pop. She's already itching to go and have me bet probably nickels.
Yep.
Not yet.
Last spin.
Well, that's rude. So we put in whatever I put in the beginning, plus $100, plus another $5. Now she's gonna take over. You want nickels, don't you?
Yes, I do.
So this is her doings, not mine. But I hope we hit. Well, it was 20 bucks. Almost got that 100 back. And finally got the Wolves. 15 bucks. Come on, come on. Oh, I swear I saw a 5-time multiplier or something in there. Dang. Oh, of course, got to do that right after. Ah, come on, Dirty Santa. You could have gave me one there. That's what they call it, Dirty Santa. Gave us a spin back. Ay, ay, ay. Just needed one there. She's already, I gotta show you this. She's already down here with money, gonna vulture my slot. Ay, ay, ay. Whatever. And these were all full when we got here, so don't chase the ones that are full. I just sat at this one because I didn't want to go on Buffalo. Last spin for me. All right, I'm going to end here. My wife's probably going to put 100 in. I will come back if we get a bonus. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed this video.
You guys know if there's a drawing or something going on?
I don't think there is. Alrighty. Let me back it up a little. So you can see my wife finally got the bonus on here. She originally put in $100 and took cash out at 50, put another 100 in, and we finally got it. So here we go. We gotta do something good in this bonus.
There we go.
Do it, do it. Oh, needed to be over here, but we got the kings at least. Come on, re-trigger. This one, I believe you got to get all three wolves, or all three of the owls to re-trigger it. Come on, one big hit. Dang it! It's not like Buffalo. Okay, Dirty Santa's gone. See if he does any good. Come on, line him up, line him up, line him up. Oh, it's okay, but could have been a lot bigger. Last spin. That's where it would have been a perfect spot for it. Total bonus 101.80. To a couple backup spins. Button's still sticking. Lay it down to $100. All right, gonna end it here.
Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more new videos to come. And check out some of these videos if you haven't already. And don't forget, click on that bell so you don't miss a single video. See you on the next one.